DALL-E 3 Unleashed. Customize your AI-generated images with ChatGPT. DALL-E 3 now lets you modify the images you generate. You can add elements, change colors, and much more. I'll show you how to do this easily directly in ChatGPT. 1. Generate your first image. Start by generating images with the prompt you want. Example: a realistic child in a blue hoodie staring into the lens. Note: you can also change the image format by adding 16:9 to generate a horizontal image, or 9:16 for a vertical one. 2. Request image seed. Each image has a specific identifier called the seed. Ask ChatGPT for the seed of the image you want to modify. For example, for the first image, the prompt is: what is the seed of image 1? Once you have the seed, you can move on to modifying the image. 3. Modify image. Use this prompt to modify the image you have chosen. Modify image 1 with seed 147,003,3597. Add a parrot on her shoulder. DALL-E 3 identifies the image and makes the changes for you. Tips and tricks. You can generate as many variations as you like. It's also possible to remove an element from the image using the same method. Sometimes the image isn't 100% identical, but still looks very similar.